Today we are going to be talking on the second important words in the definition of chemistry. In our previous video, we talked on the first important words in the definition of chemistry. So if you have not watched the video, you can click it up here to watch it before this one. So in the course of this video, we are going to be talking on physical and chemical changes, change of state of matter, and the processes which are involved in the change of state of matter. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. From the definition of chemistry, we saw that it is a study of matter and the changes which matter undergoes. Now, what are these changes which matter undergoes? The changes which matter undergoes are brought by either heating the substances, cooling the substances, adding water to the substances, or by mixing the substances. So, in whatever case, a new substance may be formed which is different from the original substances, or it can just involve a change of state of matter. That is, solid changing to a liquid changing to a gas, or a solid changing to a gas, and vice versa. So in chemistry, if a new substance is formed, we'll say that the change is not easily reversible, and we call it a chemical change. While if no new substance is formed, we say that the change is easily reversible, and we call it a physical change. So the changes which can occur in the state of matter are either chemical changes or physical changes, as we are going to see. We know that in chemistry, we have the two important words, matter and the changes which matter undergoes. Now, the changes which can occur in matter are either chemical changes or physical changes. Another name for chemical changes is known as a permanent change. While for physical change, it is a non-permanent change. So now, how do we define a chemical change? A chemical change can be defined as a change that cannot be easily reversible and during which a new substance is formed. So which changes do we consider not easily reversible and during which a new substance is formed? We have burning of paper, we have burning of paper, we have burning of wood, we have heating of sugar, and any process which involves fermentation, decomposition, combustion, and oxidation. Now, for a physical change, it is defined as a change that is easily reversible and during which no new substance is formed. So, which changes do we consider reversible in which no new substance is formed? We have boiling of water, boiling of water, heating of camphor, heating of camphor, heating of ice, and all processes involved in the change of state of matter. So, what are these processes which are involved in the change of state of matter? The different processes which are involved in the change of state of matter can easily be seen if we draw a triangular diagram. Solid, gas, and liquid. Now we have an arrow pointing from solid to liquid, showing that it is a change of state from solid to liquid. We have the reverse. We have the same thing for the other processes. So we can number them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, what is the name given to the first process? The first process is a solid changing to a liquid. We call it melting. Melting. Example, heating of ice. Heating of ice. For the second process, a liquid changing to a solid. We call it freezing. Example, water changing to ice. For the third process, we have a solid changing to a gas. We call it sublimation. Example is heating of camphor. 4. 4 is showing a gas to a solid. We call it deposition. Example, water vapor changing to frost or ice. 5. 5 shows a liquid changing to a gas. We call it evaporation. Example here is water changing to water vapor. And lastly, the sixth process is a gas changing to a liquid. Call it condensation. Example is water vapor changing to water. So you can also call water vapor as steam. So now looking at this diagram, you will see that the processes which are involved in this change of state of matter are reversible, and we call them physical changes. And again, these processes have their different names. So, for example, in melting, we also call it fusion. Other processes have different names. If you know them, leave the answers in the comment section. We are going to discuss about them. Now, can we consider tearing of dress or breaking of plastic as a physical change? From the knowledge you have obtained in this video, you realize that they are all examples of physical changes. In the case of the dress, you just destroyed the dress. During this process, no new substance or material was formed or is formed. So the dress remained the dress. It has not changed to another substance or material. Therefore, we call this process a physical change. While in the second case, you also just destroyed the plastic. The plastic did not change to another material or substance during the process. So that is why we call it a physical change. Now, my last question is, can we consider cooking of food as a physical change or a chemical change? Also leave your answer in the comment section. We are going to discuss about it. So this is the end of the video. You realize that in the course of the video, we have talked about the two types of changes. We have talked about change of states of matter, and we have also talked about the name given to the processes which are involved in the change of state of matter and examples in each case. And in my next video, I'm going to be talking on chemical symbols, chemical formulae, and valencies. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that each time I upload a new video, YouTube will notify you immediately.